Hi friends, I'm Myra with Vial Designs and we're back in holiday gear because today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful and, as always, super easy ornament hand letter card. This one right here. I'm going to walk you step by step on how to create it. Let's get started. For our card, I'm going to be using black cardstock and I'm going to be using this angle and circle maker. I totally recommend this because it's so much easier to draw circles with it, but you can find any round surface of the size that you wanna make your ornament. And I'm gonna be using this white pencil. This one is better to sketch on dark surfaces like the black cardstock that I'm gonna be using, but you can use a regular pencil as well. And then I'm gonna be using my oil-based paint pen in gold and silver. I'm just gonna position it towards the bottom of the card, and then I'm gonna be doing 1.5 inches diameter like this. So now the first thing that I'm gonna be sketching is my lettering, which I'm gonna be writing Merry Always Happy Everything, and so that's what I'm gonna be writing over here. As you can see here, I played around how I position the words in here because I'm gonna be adding some additional embellishment, and once you are satisfied with it, we're gonna start inking it. And for the lettering part, I'm gonna be using the silver paint pen, and as you can see here, I am going very slow and I'm only gonna be doing monoline lettering. Make sure you go even slower than when you were doing the sketching part. And as you can see here, going slow, and if you notice, sometimes I even lift my pen a little bit. That just helps me kind of like regroup and to make sure that I have letter consistency and my letters just look overall better when I'm going slow and then pausing or even stopping after every stroke when I'm doing monoline lettering. And this is true for calligraphy as well. Okay, once we have our writing done, we're going to wait a little bit so we can erase the sketching part. And now that our writing is ready, I'm gonna go ahead and erase the sketching part. Writing, don't erase the circle just yet because we are going to need it for a little bit. So now with our gold paint pen, we're going to do some embellishments around the letter, and as always, make sure you always shake your pen and have a little bit of scrap piece of paper handy. We're going to do some doodles around the lettering that we did, and we're going to keep in mind the circle. And now what we're going to do is we're going to finish the ornament. And you can fill it out completely, but I kind of like the streaky, imperfect look of the ribbon like this. And so now, once we're happy with everything, now we're gonna go ahead and erase the guys that we have over here. One thing I want to make sure that everything is completely dry before erasing, because over here I was smudging a little bit. It's not super noticeable, but that's something that you want to keep in mind. And this is the final result. I think it's so easy to make and it looks so beautiful. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.